The U.S. government's military assistance to the Philippines this month may have started with today's transfer of laser-guided bombs and anti-tank missiles, but it will not end there. The Philippine Navy is about to induct newly delivered Skyne Eagle UAVs in a few days, with the Naval Air Wing receiving them. These Skyne Eagle UAVs may appear as U.S. foreign military sales, FMS, to the Philippines, but actually they are funded through foreign military financing, FMF grants. The United States has donated $18 million worth of missiles, launchers and guided bombs kits to the Philippines, which consists of the following: 100 tube-launched, optically-tracked, wireless-guided 2A TOW-2A missiles. 2. 12 TOW Improved Target Acquisition System, ITAS missiles launchers. 3. 24 Paveway kits for Mk-82 bombs. Raytheon Enhanced Paveway 2 Guidance Kit to be installed on Mk.82 500-pound dumb bombs to make them into the GBU-49 Enhanced Paveway 2 laser-guided bombs. These bombs can be dropped by the Philippine Air Force's FA-50PH Fighting Eagle and AS-211 Warrior of the 5th Fighter Wing, and A-29B Super Tucano and OV-10AC Bronco of the 15th Strike Wing. In this footage they are conducting anti-amphibious invasion drills with units using BGM-71 tube-launched, optically-tracked, wire-guided TOW missile units and multiple launch rocket system MLRS units. Philippine Marine Corps has requested for TOW anti-tank wire-guided missiles which they can use to defend against enemy landing crafts and amphibious assault vehicles.